Okay. That's doing nothing. Get out of third. That's what's fucking killing me. And there we go. Now he's dead. Check this out. Watch this. And everybody died. Investigate the voice.
Excuse me.
Investigate the voice. Is that another one? Alright.
Get me out of here!
Is someone in there?
Let me out!
Who are you?
My name is Billy. Please. I've been trapped in here for so long.
Answer the question.
How did you end up in there?
I hid in here to get away from the bomb. But there isn't a handle on the inside, and it's really dark in here.
The bombs were over 200 years ago. You're that old?
I don't know how long I've been in here. A long time, though. A really long time. Please, I don't want to die in here.
Why should I trust you?
I'm really tired and lonely. Can't you just open the door?
Let me think about it.
You're just gonna leave me in here? Don't go. Come back.
Walking away. No, okay.
Who's there?
Ah, mother. What the fuck is that? A Murloc King. Murloc. That's new.
Still there?
Let me out.
Hold on, boy.
I haven't seen the sun in so long.
You're a ghoul, that's why. Talk to him.
Hey, Billy.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I didn't open it.
So, what's the story with you and that fridge?
It happened so long ago, back before everything got wrecked. When I heard the sirens, I tried to find someplace safe. When everything started to shake and fall apart, I just crawled inside. When it got quiet again, I tried to get out, but there isn't a handle on the inside. I just want to go home. Can you help me? Please?
Where did you live?
Quincy, but I don't know how to get there. Everything's so different. It's all blown up.
How do you know? You just got
What
out.
happened to my mom and dad?
They're dead. I'll keep it real with them.
I hate to tell you this, but your parents are probably dead.
Dead?
Yeah,
You really think so?
yeah.
And I'm all alone. Who's going to take care of me?
That shit happens, man.
You?
Find old home. I want to see what happened. Let's travel with me.
You
Fuck it.
can travel with me, see the world, or what's left of it.
So you think I should give up trying to find my parents?
Yeah. Wait a minute. I actually want to see what happened, so I might have to like get my stuff up before I do it.
Yes, I do. They've been gone for hundreds of years now.
No, I don't believe you. They have to be alive. And we're gonna find them. Or at least find out what happened.
Okay. I actually want him to fucking come with me, so I'm gonna put on some different clothes and see what happened. Okay.
No.
Oh
You should
shit.
look for your parents.
God damn it. Sorry. I pressed the wrong button. I was trying to look at the Pip Boy, and I forgot I was close enough to still talk to him. Alright, back up. Okay, put the glasses on. That's 1 charisma. Minuteman hat and the Minuteman. There we go. So now this is what I look like. My charisma is up by like 5 or 6 right now. So ain't no way I can get it wrong.
Thank you so much.
So, what's...
It happened so
Alright,
long.
speed it
When
up.
I heard the siren.
Uh-huh.
When everything started, when it got quiet again. I
Yep.
just want to go.
Your parents are
I hate
dead.
to tell you this.
Such a cruel thing to say.
Dead? Then I'm all alone.
Yep. Travel with
You
me.
can travel with me.
So you think I should give up trying to find my parents?
Yep. Yeah.
Yes, I do. They've been gone for hundreds of years now.
Guess I'll just sit here until some monster comes and eats me.
Yep.
Thanks for nothing.
What?
Hey, Billy.
At least you got me out of that fridge.
So what are you gonna do? You for real, dude?
I'll take you someplace safe.
I just want to go home. I want to find my mom and dad.
I'm about to just shoot him myself, like for real.
Then let's go find your home.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Thanks. I live in Quincy. Or at least, I used to. But I don't know how to get there. Everything's so different. It's all blown up.
You know, 200-year-old dumbass. Like, come on. Alright, I guess I'll... What? You're a robot, dude. What the hell are you scared for? Alright. Back to my other clothes. Okay. My stuff back up. Yep. Right leg, right, left leg, and bam. Well, besides the helmet, I didn't want to put the helmet back on. That should be it. All right, let's go. Let's go. What the fuck are you just standing there for? Oh, retarded ass boy. Okay, where is it? Auto saving. Didn't I just say come with me?
Find out what happened to my mom and dad.
Hey, Billy.
I guess I was in that fridge for a really long time. Are you sure this is the right way?
Are you coming now? Are you? I am like 3 seconds from shooting him in the face myself. I am so close. Take Billy home. Billy home right there. Okay. Let's go south. I'm just being impatient. Who are you, dude?
Cute kid. Is he for sale?
What is he worth?
What's a ghoul child worth?
Hey, you can't sell me.
Plenty. I'll give you 200 caps.
200.
Immune to radiation, don't age, and don't need to eat. You can work 'em real hard.
Sure. No. What kind of person are you?
The kind who does whatever it takes to survive out here.
Thanks, mister. You're alright.
I mean, if he offered more, I would.
Changed your mind, huh? I'm still willing to buy that kid from you.
What? Never.
Yeah!
Your loss. You change your mind, bring him to my camp.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Plus, he had 45 ammo. I needed that.
Gardener be doing that instead?
A gardener doing what, woman? Combat armor chest piece. That's 15. Like, I think I can upgrade it. Let me see. I'm gonna just grab it. See, kid, you're with me. Yeah, that's what happens, man. This is the wasteland. War sometimes changes. Yeah. Off to Billy's place. We gonna go turn up there. We gonna drink some beers tonight. There you go. Quincy. Oh shit. Raiders took over your house, man. Yeah, I was going past it, so I guess I'll come back to it later. Hey, you be alright. Come on. Ah! Dicks. Hey, if you shoot me, I will kill all of you. Going through my ears to there's this house right here. Oh. They're alive. Oh,
Dad?
I was
Are
wrong.
you in there?
Billy! Billy!
Son, is that really you?
Oh, so sweet.
It's really me.
Oh my god! We thought you were dead.
What happened to you? You're all burned up like me.
We're ghouls, Billy. The radiation changed us.
Oh, it's
Looks
adorable.
like it did the same thing to you.
Don't worry about it, Billy. Your dad and I don't care what you look like. We still love you.
I love you too, Mom. I missed you guys. It's been so long.
Thank you for bringing us back our little boy.
No problem.
And saving us from that man.
What man? What the hell are you talking about?
He's a good kid.
Here, take this. I wish I had more to give you, but we don't have much.
Yeah?
Gotta get some more ammo soon.
All right.
Where
What
did
a
I put that?
what a touching side story. I almost had me a companion. I almost sold him to slavery. Yeah, that's a thing. All right, back to here. Jamaica Plains. Jamaica Plains. While I try to find myself on Twitch.